weight loss tips. Helpful advice to get you started. Discover 100 ways to lose 10 pounds, feel better, and become healthier without taking any magical pills, buying an expensive gym membership, or going on a dangerous fat diet. Dear friend, if you have been searching for weight loss and better health tips that really work, tips that you can begin using immediately to feel better than you have in years, as well as melt away the body fat and keep it off for good, get in the best shape of your life, and more, then this is quite frankly the most important letter you will ever read. Here is why. I'm coming. I'm about to reveal to you an amazing new ebook that reveals 100 proven tips you can use to lose weight quickly and keep it off for good. Introducing the 100 ways to lose 10 pounds ebook. So this is it. I'm reading a portion of this para. The bad thing about all of this is the more weight you gain, the more dangerous it becomes. Extra weight spells illness, whether it is in the form of diabetes or a heart condition. It's bound to show up if you don't do something about it. This ebook is your guide to losing that first 10 pounds that we all struggle with. It's amazing what little changes in your life can add up to you losing 10 pounds, and they all revolve around eating right and getting your body moving. Here is just some of what you will learn by reading the 100 Ways to Lose 10 Pounds ebook. What you should always do before you sit down to eat if you really want to lose weight fast. What foods are good to eat and what foods you should stay away from at all costs. What food is truly your friend when it comes to shedding pounds like crazy. Whether counting calories is a good idea or a bad one. What you learn here may surprise you. How to lose weight by making a few easy, painless changes in the way you cook. Why crash diets don't work and in fact often do more harm than good. Several easy things you can do on a daily basis to jumpstart your body into losing weight. How to use exercise to turn your body into a fat-burning furnace that runs 24/7. How to select an exercise routine that fits your lifestyle. How many minutes of cardio exercise you really need a day. The ultimate key to losing weight fast and keeping it off for good. And much, much more. This is your best chance to achieve your weight and fitness goals. Here it is. It's time for you to get this ebook and start losing weight quickly and painlessly. Right now, for a limited time, you can take advantage of a special promotion offer and receive the 100 Ways to Lose 10 Pounds ebook for just $29 USD. That's $70 of the regular price of $100. So only this is by now. If you are not completely satisfied with your ebook purchase, simply notify me within 7 days and I will refund your money in full with absolutely no questions asked. Thanks to my money back guarantee, you have got absolutely nothing to lose. Remember, this special introductory offer won't last long. Receive the 100 Ways to Lose 10 Pounds ebook for just $29 USD before it's too late. Also remember that you are making this purchase at absolutely no risk. So grab this special price while you can. If this ebook is not everything you were expecting, simply notify me and I'll refund your money immediately. I'm giving the link of this ebook in description below. Check there.